This 2025 Keystone Hideout Sport 181BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 22 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, air conditioning, microwave, water heater, awning, slide out, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Hideout Sport 181BH is 4,060 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.